Oh,
Shyla, what's wrong?
I ate all my Halloween candy last night.
That sounds like an upset stomach waiting to happen. This roll-on recipe was specifically created to help you feel better when your tummy is feeling a little off.
So for this recipe, you're gonna need your October recipe box. It's coming to your door.
You'll want your labels, and you'll want to find your recipe card. And the oils we're going to use for this recipe naturally help support digestion with our Digest Essential Oil Blend and Fir Needle Essential Oil.
All right, and from your big bonus box, you're gonna wanna grab your coconut oil and then one of your 10 milliliter roll-ons. So grab your roll-on and take the cap off. This guy just pops right off for you. You have a little funnel at home that comes in handy right now.
And right away we're going to add our essential oils. We're going to use 3 drops of each. This uses a 3% dilution rate, which is safe to use as needed in daily use with essential oils. All right, now we'll fill it up the rest of the way with fractionated coconut oil.
Fractionated coconut oil is gonna safely dilute your essential oil so that you can put it right onto your skin.
Putting essential oils directly on your skin without a carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil can cause irritation and cause sensitivity over time. So make sure you're diluting it with a carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil.
Tap back in. Don't forget your label.
And to use it, apply to your abdomen to help soothe a queasy stomach.
Or you can apply it to your pulse points and directly inhale.
To learn more ways to use essential oils with confidence and clarity, subscribe to our Simply Earth recipe box.
Go to simplyearth.com/box and hit that subscribe now button.
You'll love being able to use your essential oils in daily life and not let those essential oils gather dust on the shelf.
Thanks for watching. Oh,
Shyla, what's wrong?
my stomach feels really bad.
Does that sound like you?